I watched a very interesting video with Rupert Sheldrake several months ago and he asked the question, why is there so much beauty in the world? And he gave several examples where it wasn't necessary for flowers to be to look the way they are to attract bees or birds to pollinate them. And, that's something that I was wondering how it fit into this interface theory of perception, why there is so much beauty to behold in the world where it seemingly doesn't serve so much of a purpose.
Yes, I think that's a very important question you asked. And the relation between beauty and what we hear, that's a very old motif, and it already has in Plato, for example. He thought very highly of beauty and of simplicity, of symmetries and stuff like that. So in terms of conscious agent theory, one would like to have one would like to be able to answer, well, what's the dynamics of conscious agents actually for? Why do they do anything at all? And beauty might be actually a motive for the whole thing to get started. Another one is exploring. Conscious agents might just be there to explore the experiences, to build interfaces, to make new experiences. We don't know what's the answer to this question. But of course, beauty and symmetry, those are very fundamental motives which could play a role here. Well, it's an open question, basically.
Yeah, I mean, it's a great idea to think that there is some sort of creative force out there that's, sort of pushing the conscious agents in such a way that's leading to these interactions that result in us perceiving beauty, I suppose.
Yes, and if you mentioned just before, there is a certain kind of beauty which we observe, which is in some sense superfluous. It doesn't need to be there in order for the things to work. So why is it there? And that hints at the possibility that it's actually a kind of deeper principle which sets things into start, which starts all the dynamics. So it's a suggestion. I don't know. It's a possibility. Maybe it's true.